Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off with this really pretty burgundy bob. This color is so gorgeous, perfect for the fall. And just 2024 in general has been the year of red hues. This bob is so pretty. So next up we have a cut refresh. So the stylist does more of a pixie bob cut here. I love how this perfectly frames her face. This particular stylist is so good at doing that for the clients. And it also features a really pretty dramatic angle that just looks stunning around her jawline. So moving into hair transformation number 3, here we have someone doing a bit of a chop. Wow, look at this bob, absolutely stunning. Another gorgeous bob with bangs for the next one. Beautiful, classic, simple and chic. Followed by someone who has this beautiful, oh, she went even darker with this red velvet copper color. Wow, that was such a pretty hue. And like I said, red has been trending heavily in 2024. And honestly, I think it's going to carry over into 2025. It's just a beautiful hair shade. A lot of women can rock it out. And then here we have yet another bob haircut. Perfect shape for her square face shape. I think that this is beautiful. He does a bit of a wave here. And then we have another chop. So many stunning bobs in today's video. Look how volumized this looks. Wow. Volume for days. And then we have a pixie bob. She's also rocking out a reddish color, more of a ginger copper tone here. Beautiful asymmetrical shape. And this also features a lot of volume, a lot of structure, perfectly frames out her face. Just beautiful. So here we have someone with hair around mid-length. Looks like the stylist is doing a very nice pixie bob for this one as well. And her hair is on the thinner side. I think it's great to see different hair types pulling off the same hairstyles. Came out really cute. So hopping into the next one, we have somebody rocking out this beautiful orange colored hair. I hope she doesn't do anything to the color because the color to me is perfection. I think it's really pretty. Ooh, she ends up getting a bob. Oh, that look was so cute. And then we have our last hair transformation. Now she has this gorgeous, long, beautiful hair. Look at the shine on it. So she is getting some dramatic layers here just to kind of add a little bit of volume to the hair, spice things up, do something different. And this is one of those sneaky ways that you can just kind of do something else with your hair besides cutting it or coloring it. You can just get some layers and really shake things up. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed taking a look at all of these fun hairstyle ideas that you can rock out this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.